Hello friends, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to make passion fruit macarons. This is very classic recipe, classic flavor. It's one of the famous Pierre Hermé recipes. It's also called Magador. And I just really like this flavor. And I'm sure you're gonna like it too. It's really simple to make, classic flavor, delicious, amazing ganache texture. And this is the recipe I posted, one of the first on my blog, because I really like the taste of the macarons. So if you're ready, let's get started. We need milk chocolate, passion fruit puree, it's basically juice, and unsalted butter. The chocolate I'm using for this recipe is Callebaut 823 milk chocolate. In the microwave, in a plastic container or plastic cup, semi-melt chocolate, then add warm passion fruit puree. I'm adding in a few parts and mixing with the spatula all the time. Make sure you warm up puree, don't add cold puree. Mix with the spatula all the time, and you see already the texture of this ganache. All passion fruit puree. And you know that I like to use spatula to make ganache. I don't use whisk. Look at this color and texture of this ganache already. Then use butter. I'm using unsalted butter and I cut it into small pieces. And emulsify with the immersion blender. And the way I'm using blender, I'm kind of mixing like a spatula first, and then I'm pulsing for a few seconds, and then I'm stopping, mixing again, and pulsing one more time. Really simple recipe. Look at the texture of this ganache. Then transfer ganache into flat container. Just make sure you grab everything from the bottom of this cup. The chocolate should be melted and there is no butter left. Everything should be emulsified. Then cover this ganache with a plastic wrap to contact and refrigerate. Usually it takes a few hours, but if you like, you can refrigerate overnight. Ganache will be stable. 4-6 hours will be enough. Then, when you have your macaron shells ready, the ganache already stabilized, remove the plastic wrap. It should come off really easily. Look at the texture of this ganache. Very shiny, very smooth, and it's so delicious. Sometimes I just like to mix in that container with a spatula. Just want to make sure it's stabilized enough. Then I'm using pastry bag with round tip and I'm transferring ganache. I made macaron shells, 2 colors, paired them with the similar sizes and placed on the countertop. And now I'm gonna fill with the ganache. I'm only using ganache for the filling, but you can also add passion fruit puree right in the center of this ganache if you like. But this time I was just going for classic passion fruit macarons. Pipe ganache on a flat side of one macaron shell, then sandwich with another macaron shell. Press lightly and make sure there is no ganache coming out from the shells of the macaron. Then repeat with the rest of the shells. When you fill all macarons, place them in airtight container and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Macarons needs to mature before you can enjoy them. You can also freeze these macarons in airtight container for a few months in a freezer. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit like and follow me for more recipes. Happy baking and thank you for watching.